Welcome. Today we're walking through a simple yet essential task for any LLC owner, filling out a W-9 form. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. First things first, what is a W-9 form? Who needs to fill it? The W-9 is an IRS form used by companies to request information from vendors, freelancers, or independent contractors. This form helps your business partners accurately report payments made to you during tax season. If you've billed a client for over $600 in the previous year, they will likely ask you to complete a W-9. This applies to various business structures, including sole proprietorships, LLCs, partnerships, and corporations. Keep in mind that it's your right to refuse to fill out a W-9 tax form, but don't be surprised if your contract partner refuses to do business with you. Moreover, refusing to complete a W-9 might result in taking a backup withholding from your payment. But what's a backup withholding, you ask? It's a fee applicable if a vendor fails to supply a valid tax ID number, in which case the payer has to wire a 24% withholding fee to the IRS. Hence, providing a W-9 before any work is in most cases advisable to avoid this. Now, let's dive into the steps for filling out a W-9 form for your LLC. Step 1, list your company details. A big chunk of information you need to provide on Form W-9 are basic company details. Start with line 1, where you'll enter your name or your LLC's name depending on your tax classification. If you're a single member LLC, put your legal name on line 1 and your LLC's name on line 2. For a multi-member LLC, report your business name on line 1. Remember, accuracy is key here. Step 2, select the correct tax classification. On line 3, choose the box that best describes your LLC's tax status. If you're a sole proprietor or a single member LLC without special tax elections, select individual/sole proprietor or single member LLC. If your LLC has elected to be taxed as an S Corp or C Corp, check the limited liability company box and indicate your classification by writing S, C, or P for partnership. Line 4 should only be filled out if your business is a special type of corporation, a federal or state government entity, securities dealer, or real estate investment trust, among others. For a complete list of special corporations, check out the full article in the description below. Step 3, add your taxpayer identification number in Part 1. Depending on your LLC structure, you'll either use your Social Security number, SSN, or Employer Identification Number, EIN. If you're a single member LLC without a special tax status, use your SSN or your EIN if you have one. If you are a resident alien rather than a US citizen, use your individual taxpayer identification number or ITIN. Finally, step 4, sign and date the form in Part 2. This final step confirms the accuracy of the information you've provided. Once completed, send your W-9 form to your client or payer. There's no need to send it directly to the IRS. And that's it. Filling out a W-9 form for your LLC is straightforward once you know the steps. This simple task ensures smooth business operations and keeps you in good standing with the IRS. For a more in-depth overview on the topic, head over to the article in the video description. And as always, if you found the video helpful, we would appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe for more similar content in the future. Also, don't forget to visit SimplifyLLC.com for more business-related guides.